Welcome to Naomi's Filipino kitchen. Today's recipe is Ginataang Pusit, squid cooked with coconut milk. Here are the ingredients of today's recipe: squid, cooking oil, fish sauce, chili pepper, garlic, ginger, tomato, onion, coconut milk, ground black pepper, and lemon juice. Pour the oil in a preheated pan. Now the oil is hot. Saute the garlic. Stir continuously until it turns golden brown. Add the ginger. Mix well. Add the onion. Mix well together until it turns soft. Add the tomato. Stir, mix well together until it turns soft. Now add the squid. Mix thoroughly. Add lemon juice and coconut milk. Cover and simmer. After 5 minutes, add the fish sauce. Pinch of ground black pepper and the chili pepper. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, Ginataang Pusit is now ready to serve and enjoy. Smells lovely. Serve it with rice and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching and see you soon.